2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things.
Hi guys, and welcome back to May Chronicles. Today is November 7th. Y'all, I feel like I have bags under my eyes. I've never in my life had bags under my eyes, but we've been putting in a lot of work, my mom and I, getting these cabinets ready. I feel like I'm nesting and she is my support system. We're starting work, but first we're eating breakfast. Looks yummy. Thanks, Mom. We working, y'all. They just walked in. We almost done. I think I showed you guys how the cabinets originally looked, but now they are gray. I am so happy. Like, I am so happy. We got a lot of work done yesterday. I recorded a little bit. Currently, I'm just waiting on my mom to get here. We have a lot to do, so I was like, let me just record, and yeah, hopefully these bags go away. I was going to put some lashes on to try to hide it, but it's like, you're going to see it regardless. I just been loving my natural face. Like, I just, you know, I don't really want to put all the effort into, not necessarily effort, but like if I don't get lash extensions, then it's like I feel like I'm putting effort by putting on lashes, because that's too much. So anyways, I'm waiting on my mom. We're about to go to my prenatal appointment. I know some of y'all are probably wondering, like, why your boyfriend don't go to your prenatal appointments. He goes to some. The appointment that I'm going to today is called centering, which is like, I make this joke, it's like an AA meeting, because you're in a circle and, you know, you discuss things with, like, regarding pregnancy. Most people don't bring their partners. Some, like, I think one girl did, but for the most part, people don't bring their partners there, because everyone is, like, required to, like, participate in, not necessarily, everyone is encouraged to participate, and my boyfriend is just not the type to do that. So he goes to, like, my ultrasounds and regular prenatal appointments, but not this type of prenatal appointment. Anyways, he's at work anyway, so it's not like he can come. But I'm still trying to wake up, because I am not up right now. Like, I'm not here, but I'm here. I'm currently editing to put my my gender reveal video on Instagram and TikTok. So hopefully I get you guys posted as well real soon. But I'll talk to you guys once I'm in the car. See you in a second. We are here. All right, my appointment went well. Is your seatbelt not on?
It's not on, baby.
Why is your seatbelt not on? Why are you driving with your seatbelt not on?
Man, you acting like you don't do it.
I don't do that.
Ever?
That's not okay. And I don't want to hear that. Slow down and just do that.
Man, when I go through this line.
Why would you have to take it off to do that?
You asked me the question.
Man, just put the seatbelt on.
You just don't want to be dinging and
yeah, but
ding.
It still should be on. You don't drive without the seatbelt on. Y'all don't be like my mama, because that's not okay.
Lot.
It doesn't matter. Things can happen in a parking lot.
Man,
I don't care. Anyways, y'all, centering was great. Now that I am in my 3rd trimester, I will have centering appointments every 2 weeks, which is basically my prenatal appointments. So
every 2 weeks you gotta come back here.
Every 2 weeks. You don't have to come, but I would like you to come.
No, I'm not saying like that. I appreciate you.
Yeah, it's every 2 weeks. We have a lot to do, y'all. I have literal bags under my eyes. Like, I've never had bags under my eyes. My mama swears she didn't see none.
No.
At first.
No. I did not see a bag because I was looking from the angle. But when I saw you, I definitely saw the bag. Now the bags have released and the blood has dropped down. That's why it look dark now.
It looks so dark. I need to
cold clocked you.
They did not. I need a nice, well rested nap. But Sleep really. That look, I was just gonna say that. Sleep really. But we have things to do. We're almost done with the kitchen. Once that's done, I can get as much sleep as I need. Before that, yeah, definitely. Before that, I got things to do. The baby will be here in less than 3 months. So gotta get it going. Right now we're about to head to my friend's house to drop off a gift for my little niece Kalani, and her package actually came right when we were pulling out to come to Centering. We're going to go to Walmart. She's going to make green baskets for this cabin trip. Is it a cabin trip? This cabin trip that she's going on this weekend, couples cabin trip, and I'm going to help her with that. Then we need to go to the mall. I ordered some stuff from Bath and Body Works and I need to pick it up because I think this is day 5 and they only hold it for 5 days. We have to go view a property for a potential listing, and then we're going to head home to like get the stuff done in the kitchen. I don't really record when we're like working in the kitchen because we're trying to get it done and we want it done right.
When you're making real memories, you don't record. The best memories aren't recorded.
No, because I record everything still.
I do as well.
I would.
But I think we just be
so into working to get it done because it is time consuming. Like when you watch it on Instagram or TikTok, even YouTube, it's like a snap of a finger and it's complete. But literally it takes days to do this stuff. You can't do it overnight.
Hours.
Because
like steps to it, right?
It takes a while, you guys. It takes a while. You can't just go step by step. Once you're done with one thing, go to the next. You have to like
wait for it to dry.
It's a lot.
Then you gotta prime again.
Yeah,
it's a lot.
It's a lot, but we did it. Like it looks really good. Girl power. I am so proud of my mama, mainly because my mom is not a creative person in this.
Man, why are you talking about me like that? You don't sound like that. Just say my mom has time. My mom is really busy.
No, but that's the truth. She is a busy lady, but she's also not she is the type of person that if it could be done and she could pay for it, she'll pay for it. I'm the type of person, oh, this seems fun, let me do it.
Oh yes, everything.
Exactly.
Mom don't buy that.
Yeah,
I could
like
that.
I'm the creative one, but I'm so proud of her because she's stuck with it.
Because I would have called Mauricio by now.
Yeah, she's like helpful and she's doing a great job. So I'm excited. I'm excited to see the finished product. It looks good already, but we have one more coat to do and then it'll be complete. So I'm happy.
I'm happy it's almost over as well.
That's all you happy about? You happy about the finished product?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you like it, I love it. And that's no shade. Y'all don't people say that. They say it's like shade.
No shade, no tea. No tea, no shade. All right. Be back in a little bit.
Why are you jaywalking, sir?
We're at Crystal's. I've been eating at Crystal's like a lot lately. I think this is my 3rd or 4th time in less than a week, or a week and like 2 days. So
don't question those 3 or 4 pounds.
But that's all I'm eating, so I don't understand how. That's the calorie intake I'm supposed to have
for the whole day.
No, like it's like 2,000 for the whole day, I think.
It's more than 2,000.
And it's not. I don't keep up with my calories I eat, and I don't even think I eat a lot. So how did I gain like 6 pounds in 2 weeks?
The baby gotta get bigger. What you think he up in there doing? Just sitting around?
He just floating around.
Okay, he in there hungry too.
Don't make them horrible.
Oh, they mushy and they're hot.
They are really hot.
Oh.
I got chick 5. Wait, I got number 5. 2 chicks. All right, bye.
You tell them what number you got. Like it's the same number where they are.
My mama got. I think so. Like, show them your thing, Mom. My mama got a number 2.
I got number 2, bacon cheese, Crystal. I only got this because the cheese is like an extra $1.50 on your other one.
I would have got that one anyways because it has bacon on it. You can't eat 3. But yeah, about to eat this real quick. It's hot and ready. Not ready for me to eat because it's way too hot. What?
Hot and ready.
That's what who say that?
CC's.
Not CC's.
CC's.
Little Caesars.
Little hot and ready.
Little Caesar says that.
But what does that sound like?
Hot and ready.
You know they always have some type of provocative meaning that you don't even know.
Ma, it's pizza. It's hot and ready.
Look at SpongeBob.
y'all. I look how I feel. I just woke up. Bath and Body Works is where I'm headed to pick up my order that I had. Don't mind my phone. This is my work phone. Those Winterberry, whatever they call it. Package is secured. Can't wait to put them in. Kind of ordered them, but we'll keep that on the low. Now I just woke up and I am not all the way here just yet. It's been a long day. And still got stuff to do. But I'm excited about my wall plugins. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, I got my whooping cough vaccine and a couple more blood drawing. I forgot what it was for, but everything looked good, so that's always good. Now we're about to get to work. We just arrived to my parents' house. I'm about to help my mom put her Christmas tree up. My mom made salmon and grits. Say hey, Mom.
Hello.
Say hey,
So
Trey.
did you just get this cat?
No, I've always had it.
Oh, I need to get it. I think I want to get one of those.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I am so excited, y'all. So excited. This year for Christmas, I don't want gifts unless it's for my baby. And I'm not giving gifts because I got a baby, period. But we're about to put the Christmas tree up. It's actually going to go right here. I'm so excited. My mom finally got a Christmas tree last year, so now she gonna stay with the times. Cause baby, I'm gonna have a Christmas tree every year. I got a second Christmas tree this year, so I'm gonna put both up soon, but just not yet. Y'all wanna see the belly? This is what 29 weeks look like for me. But we're about to get this going. Hi guys. I am currently I'm about to start working on my backsplash. I had some other backsplash originally, but I did not like it because it was a lot of work. It was a hair bone. I can't even see the name in my head right now, so I might be saying it wrong, but hair bone or something like that. I'll put it right here. It was just a lot of work, so I decided to do the Subway towel, and I believe I can do that much easier. It is still really cute. It is also from the same company, so this is what we're working on now, and I'm about to get ready to start going and doing it. But I'm gonna sit you guys right here for a second so you can see me work. Just know I never did this before, so this is my first time doing it.
Now I'm sure you can hear in their voices that the
Sir, do you recognize this?
All right, so I'm about to finish working on this and I'll be back once I'm done. Hey gems, and welcome back to May Chronicles. We are actually headed to a showing that is 45 minutes away, but gotta get it done. It is the day before Thanksgiving. By the time this is posted, it'll probably be December because I'm just late posting these videos. But I just went to my mom's house because I had to pick something up. I had to get this maternity shirt. Well, it's not a shirt, but it's like this. Now, mind you, this is my first time ever wearing maternity anything, and I'm 30 weeks pregnant now. But it's like I'm getting too, well, I don't think I'm getting too big. It's just the fact that my clothes aren't fitting the same. I can't zip my jeans up, and I wanted to wear like these black uniform looking jeans for the showing. So yeah, I picked that up from her, and then also she had me Dr. Pepper in the refrigerator, so period, because I just love Dr. Pepper. Anyways, I'm about to drive. I'll talk to you guys once this showing is over.
Shout out my mucus. Hey, can you know that be my slime? I swear that girl she a 10. Yeah, keep her around. I swear that girl she a gem.